Have you ever used one of those fancy new payment apps? You know the ones where you can ditch your wallet, tap your phone, and pay for everything from your morning coffee to that new pair of shoes you absolutely don't need. They're pretty nifty, right? But have you ever stopped to wonder, where exactly does that money go when you tap and pay? Because let's be honest, these apps aren't exactly banks. They don't have giant vaults filled with cash, although that would be a pretty cool tourist attraction. So, what's the deal? Well, that's where companies like Gemini come in. Today, we're going to answer the burning question, why is Gemini holding your money? Now, before we dive in, let's rewind a bit. Remember the old days, when you'd pay for something with cash? The money went straight from your hand to the cashier's hand. Simple, right? Well, with digital payments, things get a little more complex. Imagine you're at that coffee shop again, ready for your morning caffeine fix. You tap your phone to pay, and let's call that fancy payment app Cafe Pay. Cafe Pay doesn't actually hold onto your money itself. Instead, it acts like a middleman. It takes the money you designated for your coffee, let's say $5, subtracts it from your linked bank account, and then sends it securely to the coffee shop's account. Easy enough, so far. But here's the twist, Cafe Pay doesn't have direct access to your bank account. There are regulations in place to keep your hard-earned cash safe. So, how does Cafe Pay get that $5? That's where Gemini comes in. Think of Gemini as a secure vault, a highly regulated financial institution that holds onto your money until it's needed for a transaction. When you link your bank account to Cafe Pay, or any other payment app, you're essentially saying, hey Gemini, here's some money I want to set aside for digital payments. Hold onto it safely, but let Cafe Pay know it's there when I need to buy that overpriced latte. So, when you tap your phone to pay, Cafe Pay sends a message to Gemini saying, hey, release $5 from user X's account so they can get their coffee fix. Gemini then verifies everything is legit, checks your balance, makes sure it's not a fraudulent transaction, and then whoosh. The money gets sent to the coffee shop's account. Now, here's the beauty of this system, security. Because Gemini is a separate entity from Cafe Pay, or any other app you use, even if something fishy happens with the app, your money is safe and sound in Gemini's vault. Cafe Pay can't just grab your money whenever it wants. It needs Gemini's approval for every transaction. Imagine it like a high-security prison for your cash, but with much better service and way less chance of getting shanked. But Gemini does more than just play vault keeper. They also work behind the scenes to make those instant transfers happen. You see, banks aren't exactly known for their lightning speed. Transferring money between accounts can take time. But with Gemini's fancy tech and partnerships with banks, they can make those transactions happen practically in the blink of an eye. So, the next time you tap your phone to pay, remember, there's a whole team working behind the scenes to make sure your purchase is smooth, secure, and wicked fast. Gemini is like the silent guardian of your digital wallet, ensuring your money gets where it needs to go, without any drama. There's a whole lot more to learn about the world of digital payments, but hopefully, this video gave you a better understanding of why Gemini might be holding onto your money. It's not some shady scheme, it's actually a system designed to keep your cash safe and those virtual transactions flowing freely. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.